Hello everyone, welcome to Yurun Company. We are a leading manufacturer of sanitary napkins and menstrual pants in China, which have 10 production lines equipped with professional testing laboratory, and the daily capacity is more than 9 million pieces. Now, let me introduce to you our customized services to you one by one. First, for the customized service, we have excellent marketing teams and design team to provide a professional one-to-one service and free logos and packaging design. We are responsible for you from ordering, purchasing, packaging material, production, inspection, and delivery. Let you enjoy the one-stop service. Second, for product customization, we provide you with a variety of choices in size, outer packaging, wrapping film, top sheet, chip, and absorption capacities. Number 1, about the size you can choose is 245 for day use, 290 for night use, 360 for overnight, and 155 for panty liner. Number 2, for the outer packaging, it will be selected according to your needs. You can choose the PE plastic bag like this one, the OEM foil bag like this one, the paper box like this one, the gift box like this one, and so on. Of course, we will provide you with the free designs for this pack. Number 3, for the wrapping film, generally we provide the PE like this one, the aluminum foil like this one, and the non-woven wrapping film like this one. For your choice. In addition, you can print the patterns and the logos you want. If you have another requirement, you can also communicate with us. The number 4, for the top sheet, you can choose non-woven fabric, soft hot air fabric, and some natural fabric like pure cotton and bamboo fiber. You can make decisions based on your needs. The number 5, for the chip, we have a variety of chip options. For example, the current hot-selling negative onion chip, the Chinese youth chip that can perform redox experiments, and wood chip, meat chips, and so on. You can also print the patterns you want and your logos on the chip. If you want to know more about the function information of the chip, please feel free to contact us. The last one, for the absorption capacity, we have 50 ml, 100 ml, and 150 ml option. You can choose according to the absorption effect you want. Okay, these are our main customized services. If you have planned to customize your sanitary napkin and menstrual pant brand, or you want to know more about our products and factories, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are at your service online 3 hours, 1 day.